How are you doing today? Hope you are doing well. In this video, I will be telling you something about the English language that everybody wants to get improved. Friend, do you know why can't we speak in English? It's been long time that we have been struggling to get improved our spoken English, but we do not speak in English. Have you ever thought that why can't we speak in English? I'm going to tell you some reason behind that. Yes, friend, the only one reason, that is fear of making mistake. Yes, some people, they have fear in the mind that they think if I make mistake, people will laugh at me. Yes, because of that one reason, they cannot speak in English. And one more reason, that is about the people fear. They always think that if I make mistake, people will judge me if I make mistake. Yes, exactly, friend. We do not scared of our own mistake. We think about other people. That's why we think that I will never speak in English. But to speak any language, there is need of right environment, right partner, right practice environment. Then you can understand that how language is spoken, and then you try to imitate it. Because of that, your English can get improved. If anyone suggests you read a lot and you listen a lot, then you will speak in English. I'm not gonna deny them. Yes, because these are the theoretical part of learning languages. It's been a long time that we have been reading, writing and listening. Sometimes we have been singing also, but when it comes to speak, we cannot speak. The only one reason, that is lack of practice. If you practice constantly, then definitely you can get improved your spoken English, bro. So please always practice.